May mga kaibigan ka bang nakapagsimula na ng investment successfully and nahihikayat ka na rin magsimula? Investment simply means preserving money from a possible depreciation. If you are an employee, if you are employed or working student and gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng investment, investment, safe investment at the price you can afford. Huwag na tayong lumingon-lingon kung saan-saan, tumingin-tingin or lumapit kung kani-kanino. Pag-ibig na lang ang may pag-ibig. Pag-ibig na lang ang may pag-ibig. Pag-ibig Fund. Si Pag-ibig Fund, meron siyang MP2 program. MP2 program, para siyang, well, it's like saving investment program. Savings and investment program nung tulad sa mga banks, private banks. And if you're all working student, minimum of 200 pesos monthly. Kung itataas mo siya ng 300, malakas ang loob mo, itataas mo siya ng 300, 400, 450, 500. Maintain mo dahil kahit government, si Pag-ibig Fund, pare-parehas ang rules and regulations, laws when it comes to money. Sa mga employed naman, MP2 is minimum of 500. 500 pesos monthly. And like I said, kung itataas, maintain, wag na ibaba. Kung hindi naman sigurado na maitataas is maintain nyo na lang. If you're looking for another investment aside from, another way to multiply your money is investing onto backbone of every business needs of different sectors. Yan. If you're looking for another investment aside from MP2 of Pag-ibig Fund, money market fund, and bonds. Money market fund. From the word itself, money market. If nag-invest ka dyan ng, for example, nag-invest ka ng 1.5, yung 1.5 mo, kino-convert into units. And yung units na yan ang ipinahihiram sa mga credit card holders. Well, if I'm not mistaken, yan ang pinahihiram sa mga credit card holders. Sa mga malakas mag-swipe ng credit card, ganun. Nagpapahiram ka ng units sa kanila, which is equivalent to, tingnan nyo na lang. So, yan ang money market fund. And in bonds naman, ganun din, for example, mag-invest ka ng 1.5 mo, convert into units, and yung unit na yan, pinapahiram naman sa mga negosyante. Sa mga businessmen, business people, yan, pinapahiram yan. Pag maghahanap ng, and kung hahanapin nyo pala si money market funds and si bonds, yung mga financial firms, kung sinong may service ng money market funds and bonds, mukhang lahat naman yata tayo barkada ni Google. So, lapit nyo lang kay paring Google. Search nyo yung mga legitimate financial firms with services on money market funds and bonds. Magbibigay na ako ng isa. Atram. Yun. Bonus na yun para walang malapitan ng kung sino-sino na galing kung saan-saan at mag-offer ng kung ano-anong investment na pwedeng mauwi sa scam. So, para scam-free, safe sa investment and scam-free, tingnan nyo na lang kay Google. And for more information nga pala about investment, kindly like, follow, subscribe kung may subscribe button, and share my pages on Facebook, Money Goals with E and Money Goals with Eden. Ulitin ko. Money Goals with E and Money Goals with Eden on Facebook, and together with my friends in the financial industry na licensed financial professionals, guide you, lead you towards achieving financial freedom. Ingat!